Now it is said, when early in the morning a seeker is praying, O Divine, O Lord Krishna, O Achyuta, O Mother, O Jesus, take my chariot, place it in the middle of the battlefield. I will see both the sides. There is a beautiful verse in Sanskrit. Pratah prabhruti sayantam, pratah prabhruti sayantam, sayantam prataram tatah, sayantat prataram tatah, yat karomi jagannmata, yat karomi jagannmata, tadastu tava pujanam, tadastu tava pujanam, tat astu tava pujanam. Let that be your worship. Yat karomi jagannmata, whatever I am doing, whatever I am doing, pratah prabhruti sayantam, from early in the morning till evening, sayantat prataram tatah, from the evening till the morning, that means day and night. Whatever I am doing, O Divine Mother, yat karomi jagannmata, tadastu tava pujanam, let that be your worship. Every activity, every thought, every word, every moment, it should be the worship of the Divine.